Nakasarahan yung malalim.
Ano bang laman yan?
Glutathione, alpha-lipoic acid, vitamin D, vitamin C, dalawang shots ng collagen, and placenta.
And placenta, okay.
Start na tayo sa inyo.
Kailangan ko ba yan? Well, I could use the collagen. I could use the collagen.
Exactly why I asked you to do that.
Yeah. O, hindi naman ako bakunado.
Okay, let me know if may pain, tingling sensation, mahapde, or burning sensation. Okay. Tapos dyan, pwedeng light po. Thank you.
Da 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 da.